I've been using Lifetime Shutters since 2017. The reason why is because they're very responsive. They offer a better product. I have a good relationship, a family feel with the company. They're always available to answer any queries that I have on the telephone. And the product is better than I've seen on the market. The reason why somebody should use Lifetime Shutters is because of the variety of products that are available. The service is second to none. You place an order, after 6 weeks, you get an update with regards to the container delivery due date. When it's available, it's always updated with the delivery due date. As soon as the container arrives, we get our products within 2 to 3 days. The online portal is very easy to deal with. It has every slat size, every style, every paint finish. You put your width, your height, your mid-rail height, or your tier-on-tier height. Everything's available. All of the frames are available. The PVC frames, the basswood frames, the blackout blinds as well. I can make all of our orders on my iPhone, on my tablet, on my laptop, and on my computer. It's very, very easy to use. Very, very easy. The training Lifetime offer, you attend. They show you how to install the shutters. They show you how to measure the shutters. They show you how to order the shutters. They tell you the benefits of each product.